Yo, what's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy Marcus back at it again with another video, man. I hope you guys can see my screen as of right now, man. Today, we are going to be messing, oh my god, with the one and only openAI ChatGPT. Now, I've seen videos about this, and as a computer science major, this is interesting to me, you know what I'm saying? And as any major, it should interest you because honestly, like, it's AI and apparently it's capable of writing essays. But no, for real, man, today we are going to see what this is all about. We're gonna see if it lives up to the hype, and I'm actually gonna see if it can make me a game. I tried to make one earlier, and it worked a little bit, but I wasn't with it. So I'm gonna try to make a whole other game and see what we can come up with, man. We're gonna jump right into it. These are some examples that we can give it, its capabilities and its limitations. We're gonna just go ahead and mess around about it. Actually, I'm gonna ask it about COVID. So I'm gonna say, can you give me details about COVID-19? I was about to put 18. Let's see what this joint says. Certainly, COVID-19, also known as the coronavirus, is a respiratory illness caused by a virus called all that stuff. It was first identified in China. We all know this. The memes made sure we all knew this. The virus, I'm on this right here. The virus primarily spreads through respiratory droplets produced when an infected person talks, coughs, or sneezes. All this stuff, pretty much. But you see, it just didn't give me like one sentence, bro. Like, it just gives you all this information in a span of seconds, and that joint is so crazy to me, man. Like, real talk. I'm gonna ask you some more details, man. Is it worth it to go to college in 2021? I'll put 2021 because of the limited knowledge, but whether or not it's worth it to go to college is a personal decision that depends on a variety of factors. Such as an individual career goals, interests, financial situation, and personal circumstances. Here's some things to consider when deciding whether or not you should go to college, and it's literally giving me reasons, bro. It's literally giving you like things to decide, decisions that you should take into account before you decide whether or not you want to go to college. One of those career goals, interests, financial situation. Well, pretty much, look at that. Look at that. I'm not an English person, but you see what it did? It explained the situations, and then, well, it covered the situations briefly, and then it broke it down into each of its own parts. That's how I know you're gonna help me through the semester writing these essays. You're pretty smart with it already. You know what I'm saying? As long as the joint is free, I'm getting my degree. You feel me? Let's go ahead and make this JavaScript game, man. First I'm gonna ask you the question about JavaScript and see if it understands it. Okay, it got it. Okay. This is crazy, bro. Every time I've asked it a question, it's literally giving me like what I would view as a essay response, like a start of an essay or something. You know what I'm saying? Can you write me an essay about ES6 versus JavaScript? Here's an essay. All right. It's typing my essay. I'm gonna go step away from the computer. I'm about to go, cook some pizza or something, man. I'll be right back, man. We gonna see how this joint work for real. Alright, guys, so I just got back from warming up my pizza, and I took one bite of it, and after I took the bite, I realized the essay was done. A little brief essay, man. Let's go to Word real quick, man. Let's go to Word real quick. We're gonna throw it in just a random document. I don't know what that was about, but anyway. Word count, 375 words. Can you make the essay above 500 words, please? Certainly. Here's an expanded version of the essay about the differences between ES6 and vanilla JavaScript. Yo, that is crazy, bro. That is wild, man. This is crazy, man. It literally wrote it. Let's go ahead and go to the bottom and copy and paste it. By the way, USC and all the USC officials watching, I am clearly joking when I said as long as this is free, I'm gonna get my degree. I am clearly joking. So I just want that to be known. Like, not only did it write us an essay about ES6 versus vanilla JavaScript, but it also made it more than 500 words. That is insane. We're just throwing some, some errors. Let's go ahead and make a game, bro. Let's go ahead and make a game, you feel me? A racing game in JavaScript. Sure, here's a simple racing game. So again, I'm gonna step away and eat my pizza while it does its work. Simple. Oh, it just got done with the game, and pretty much it just created the objects. So like, class, race, player, all that stuff. And then it tells you, this code defines 2 classes, and it tells you what each one is. You know what I'm saying? And that's amazing. But that's not enough. I want to push it some more. Alright, I got it. Can you add a finish race method to the race class above? Let's see. Alright, so boom, it created it. The finish race method starts by sorting the players by their speed in ascending order. It then logs a message announcing the winner of the race using the name and speed of the player with the highest speed. Word. So, can we use HTML and CSS to give the game above graphics? This is what I want to know. Cause like, what's the game? Like, we got the code here, but let's make it functional. This joint say yes. Here we go. Alright, so this is where things kind of get weird. Chat GBT I asked it to put all the code into one file, and it just stopped midway through the code and just gave me half of it. And I kept trying to play it over and over and over, replay the command, just so I could get the full code, and the same issue kept popping up. So yeah, I looked this issue up on Reddit and Stack Overflow, and seems like a common issue. Hopefully they fix it. But until now, I don't know what to do. But continue watching and see what we come up with. Into our safe spot. But as you can see, yeah, there's a bunch of stuff that it didn't finish. Or it appeared that it didn't finish. So I just reran it again, so hopefully like it won't do that again. Can you finish the code above? I'm sorry, but it looks like the code I provided was cut off. Here's a complete code. Yo, check that out. So I said, can you finish the code above? It says, sorry, but it looks like the code I provided was cut off. Here's a completed code again. So it's gonna, I guess it's gonna do its thing. I don't know why it was cut off, but hopefully it fixes itself. Alright, cool. So after the AI has messed up like 2-3 times, it's finished. I think it just learned from like its previous mistakes and kept it pushing. But it seems like the code is finished. Let's go ahead, copy and paste it. And let's see if it works. Alright, so boom. So this is the racing game. All this code was made by the AI. Racing game, you got all these people, Bob, Charlie, and Alice. So we're gonna click start race and see what happens. Yo, the race has started, Alice has started the race, Bob has started the race, Charlie has started the race. Alright, so it logged that, but did it not add the finish? So we could go here and just say, can you add a finish race method to the code above that will determine the winner. We're gonna go ahead and copy that, and we're gonna paste it, and we're gonna go ahead and reload this. It did it. So I was the one tripping because it did it. I pressed start race, it start race, and now it turned into a finish race. And it says the race was finished, and the winner is Charlie with a speed of 80. That's crazy. So the AI is adding photos to the game, but I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the video short because it continues to keep messing up, as we keep seeing right here. It's not really finishing the code, but it did give us a good basic game. It did give us like all the fundamentals of a game. Now when you want to go in and add the animations, the AI could do it, but it keeps running into errors and keeps cutting off, or you could do it yourself. But I feel like this is like a very good way to get like a basis of like some programs down. Like let's say you don't know where like to start the logic off with or something, you could just be like, yo, can you give me the logic of this? Or shoot, you could do the whole work in the AI, but I feel like it would just be extremely frustrating right now because it's still in this baby state, you feel me? So, but yeah, I'm like, this is crazy. It made a whole website with us with JavaScript and the ES6 at that. It also made sure there was like each object had its own method. I mean, each thing had its own object in the code, you know. And I think that's pretty cool that it could write code like that, you know. But this is just openAI. There's gonna be way more videos about this in the future. I might make another video after this because I got some ideas that I want to come to life, but we'll let AI do all that for us. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, man. And if you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and check out openAI. This is incredible stuff right here, man. I think you guys should go play around with it. It's free right now, so just do your thing. And but yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.